everyone, I hope you are well. Today I prepared this Coronation chicken salad. It is definitely one of my favorite chicken salads. It tastes amazing in a sandwich, you can use it in a wrap or just serve it with a piece of baguette like I'm doing today. And without further ado, let me show you how to make this delicious chicken salad. Thank you for watching. So to prepare the poached or cooked chicken, put 2 chicken breasts in a small pot, cover with water. I'm using approximately 1 liter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 green onions cut in half, 2 slices of lemon, and if you have, add some allspice. And we're gonna cook for 25 minutes. For the dressing, mix half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of apricot preserve, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and mix. So we're gonna put this aside and prepare the rest of the salad. Slice 1 green onion, and if you like cilantro, chop a few leaves. Add the cilantro to the sauce. And now the chicken's cooked, and you can either shred it or cube it. So add the chicken to the dressing and mix. And let it cool before serving.